Welcome back to Fast RC, buddy. My name is Ryan. Today's episode of RC Weekly, we have nothing but Black Friday sales to go over, so stick around. I'll see you on the other side of the intro. Alright, welcome back and happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Good to see you here on the holiday. So for this episode of RC Weekly, we're going to change it up just a little bit, and we're going to cover nothing but Black Friday sales today. As far as the new product updates and new releases, we'll cover that, or we'll save it all for next week's edition of RC Weekly. But for this week, we're going to stop by all of our favorite retailers, such as Amain, Horizon Hobbies, Tower Hobbies, and then we'll go ahead and take a stop over at Redcat, take a look at what sales they got going too. But like I said, gonna change it up for this week. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the sales. All right, let's save some cash. So first up, we're gonna take a stop by my dashboard real quick because there's a couple things I want to show you guys before we get into the actual websites. One of the biggest sales that we're going to cover this week or for Black Friday is going to be from Axial and from Horizon Hobbies, and that's the Heliumon. So I'm going to highlight that here first. Very first thing. This is by far the lowest price on the Axial Heliumon 2.2 that we've ever seen, down to $399. I believe, we'll check the percentage on this, but I don't think it's in like discontinued watch territory, but it is very, very low price, around 27% off at $399. We could take a look at the graph here that this is absolutely the lowest price we've ever seen on this vehicle. When it was first released earlier this year, it was around $600, then it got lowered down to $530, and then now it's down to $399 for this week. So pretty good sale there. Just wanted to highlight that real quick. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other sales in this dashboard, because there is some other stuff to take a look at. So we'll just go ahead and scroll down. You got your pages here. These should all be updated them this morning, so all of this stuff is live. We'll go ahead and take a look at current sales. I'm gonna go and put my glasses on so I can actually see this stuff. So taking a look, there's nothing here at Arma, but there is some stuff at Arma that we do need to cover on my next segment here at Amain. So we'll come back to that. For Axial, we just had the Heliumon. This is from Amain Hobbies. If you go to Horizon Hobbies, which I'll show you here in a minute, the green version Heliumon is also on sale. And then Element RC, they got a ton of stuff this week. Just real quick, I'm not going to go over all of these, but lots of stuff. Bushido's 35% off. Looks like almost every model of crawler they got out there is on sale. So if you're interested in checking that out, anywhere from 20 to 25% off, it looks like for most of them. Kyosho, same thing, tons of models on sale right now. The Phaser, Mad Wagons, a lot of stuff over 20% off, which is pretty good to see. If you want to check this out, fastrc.net, this dashboard, you can take a look, or you can go to Amain Hobbies. And then for Lowe's, not too much, but they do have the 8X Super Laser Nut on sale this week, which is part of the Black Friday sale for almost 27% off, down to $550. Pretty good deal there. That's not, actually, let's go back and take a look. That might actually be the lowest price we've seen on that guy. So I'm going to go ahead and do a search real quick. This is also kind of like a good tutorial too, how to use this dashboard. I try to keep this thing up to date. Sometimes I miss a week or two, but it's up to date now. So yeah, this laser nut, by far the lowest price we've ever seen on this guy. So usually it hovers around that $750 mark, you can see here for most of the year. And then this is the lowest price we've seen this year, down to $550. At least for 2025. So not bad, not a bad sale there if you're looking for a laser nut, which I've heard a lot of good things about those personally. And then let's go ahead and take a look. So Redcat, we know they got a lot of stuff on sale. We'll take a look at their website too. But the custom haulers are 26% off, not too bad, down to $420. I think that's one of the lowest prices we've seen on that guy too. And then some other various Redcats that are out there. We'll cover that a little bit later. And then I skipped over Team Associated real quick. Team Associated, they got tons of stuff on sale. Once again, it's like too much to go over. But lots and lots of stuff. The SR27s are on here, lowest price we've seen them in a while. MT12s, just, yeah, I can't go over all that. But it's a lot if you want to check it out. And then Traxxas here. This looks like a lot, but this is just all 6 of the Ultimate Traxxas vehicles that are on sale, showing up here on the dashboard from anywhere from 15 to 18% off. And then Vanquish, the H10 optics are down to $360, which is definitely the lowest price we've ever seen on them before. So that's it for the dashboard. Let's go ahead and hop over to the first site. All right, and first up, we're going to go with Amain Hobbies. So for them, they've been having a lot of like different sales pop up before Thanksgiving and Black Friday, but the big one here that we need to talk about is the Save 10% store-wide code, BF1025. Pretty good. On its face, maybe doesn't sound like the best deal, but when we start digging into the actual, some of the models, it's not bad. Also too, you can see here on the side, they have this Yokomo Dogfighter 50% off, pretty good deal. I don't know anything about that vehicle, it looks vintage, but it's reduced a lot of money. They also got the Gen A sale if you want looking for batteries and chargers, you pick some up there. But the real thing that I wanted to show you guys on this is with this store code, if you go over to ARMA, pretty much all the Horizon hobby stuff, so like ARMA and Lozi, the two big ones, and Axial as well, so three big ones, all of the coupon code restrictions have been lifted on their models. So that's the thing they're not telling you. So that 10% off coupon, you can actually use it on pretty much any ARMA model that you want. So I'll give you an example. If you click on this ARMA Felony, I already checked this one previously, but if you take a look, no coupon code restriction here under the price. So if you want to use that 10% off code, you absolutely can do it. Save yourself 70 bucks. Let's go ahead and take a look back. Same thing with the Quake Grom. This is a fairly new vehicle. Same thing, coupon code restriction has been lifted, so you can use a 10% coupon code on that. I've already checked all those. I've checked this Typhon, that has also been lifted. The Armament Limitless 120, that was one that was coupon code restricted previously, but we'll go ahead and click on it and we'll see that it's actually not restricted anymore for Black Friday. So you can save 80 bucks on this guy with that 10% code if you're looking for the Armament Limitless RTR. Outcast 8S, same thing. Go ahead and click on that. No coupon code restriction. So basically, I'm not going to roll through all of these, but pretty much the entire ARMA, like Horizon Hobby lineup is open right now. Like there's no coupon code restrictions from what I can tell. So save yourself some money. That 10% code, you can definitely use it. You can bundle it with some other parts and things like that, and definitely save yourself some money. So let's go and take a look at Lozi real quick. Same thing with Lozi. So like the NASCARs, these things never fall below $210, but same thing, brand new Intimidator edition, Dale Earnhardt, no coupon code restrictions, so you can save that would be $21 roughly. Not bad. The rest of the Lozi lineup, same thing. It's all unrestricted. So go ahead and take a look at that. There's some good deals out there for sure if you're looking to get into any of these Horizon Hobby models. And then the main thing, the thing that I think I might put on the thumbnail is the Axial SCX30. So this is the new crawler coming out from Axial. That's not what I wanted. Hold on. Let's go back. Yeah, right here. So let's click on one of these guys. This guy is also not coupon code restricted, and so that 10% off, you can actually save 10 bucks on this guy, which would make it the lowest price ever, which is kind of the thumbnail idea I guess I had. Yeah, 90 bucks for the SCX30, not too bad, and it's now in stock online, so if you want to pick it up. But that's all I got for Amain. So pretty much that 10% code site-wide. I did check the Traxxas vehicles, and here I'll just go ahead and show you guys real quick. Traxxas / Unfortunately, the Traxxas stuff is not coupon code eligible, and the way you can tell is right here. The note manufacturer does not allow coupons, so none of the Traxxas stuff will apply to the 10% off code. But like I said, all the Horizon Hobby stuff is out there. So Lozi, ARMA, Axial, you name it, it's out there. And then let's check Team Associated real quick. I can't remember. I go check this guy. Yeah, that's okay. So they're not included. So you're gonna have to double check it, guys. It looks like a lot of the Horizon Hobby stuff, like I said, is not, but Team Associated and Traxxas is not allowing coupon codes, so that's a bummer. But anyways, that's it for Amain. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. And next up is gonna be Horizon Hobbies. It's gonna be a quick one because we already covered some of it. But they do have a Black Friday sale, and there's really not too much, at least for us surface vehicle guys. But they do have the Lozi 8 Super Laser Nut. Keep getting it backwards. For $550, it's a pretty good deal. Lowest price we've ever seen on that guy. And then the Helamons, like I talked about, they got the green and the red one. It doesn't show the price, but it's actually $399. So $130 off. Oh, actually, take that back. It does say the red version only. Darn. So if you're looking for a red Helamon, then you can get it for $399. Some other things just to highlight real quick. They do have some battery and charger combos on here for sale. They got some ESC motor combos if you're looking for upgrade your NASCARs. Just some other odds and end parts if you're looking for that kind of stuff. Then at the top, that was Black Friday sale. They got the Proline stuff we've been talking about forever. So that's pretty much it for Horizon Hobbies. Like, all that stuff is still on sale over at Amain. Just depends on where you like to go, I guess. So let's go ahead and get to Tower Hobbies next. All right, next up, Tower Hobbies. This is going to be another quick one. There's not a whole lot. They have the electronics sale, which is new since the last edition of RC Weekly. They got stuff in here from like Tekin, and if I remember right, it was a lot of Tekin stuff. Yeah, batteries, Rock 412 motors, which are good. This Tekin servo, which I thought was kind of interesting. Yeah, you can take a look at that sale, but otherwise there wasn't like a ton. There wasn't really a ton going on here at Tower Hobbies. There's a Gens Ace sale, so some of their batteries and chargers and stuff like that you can pick up. And then, of course, there's Scratch and Dent. But I think the big thing here with Tower is, like, there was that notice that went out. Oh, I forgot. The Tower Cash. If you spend $100, you can earn $20 in Tower Cash. So keep that in mind. Kind of a nice little savings if you do buy some stuff at Tower Hobbies. But from what I was going to say is, I think what we're seeing is Tower Hobbies had like a ton of crazy sales. Like, definitely like in October, there was like every week there was like a really like wild sale and like highly discounted models. But they put out that notice in early November saying that they were going to scale it back, and they had been doing testing, but they were going to scale it back for the holiday seasons to take care of their brick and mortar store partnerships. And I think that's what we're seeing. That's why we're not seeing a lot from Tower and Horizon Hobbies. So it kind of makes sense. So that's all I got for that. Let's go ahead and get to the next one. All right, and real quick from Traxxas here, before we forget, there is still the Ultimate sale going on with 6 models that are Ultimate vehicles. So that's going to be the Ford Raptor R, the Rustler 4x4 VXL / 4x4 VXL, the X-Max Ultimate. Of course, the XRT Ultimate's got to be in there. And then last but not least, we got the Max Ultimate for $750. All of these have some pretty good discounts and are definitely the lowest prices we've seen, at least for 2025. I can tell you for sure on the Raptor R, definitely the lowest price we've seen. Pretty good deals there if you're looking to get into that. And then I just realized this, but they still have the BL2S combos going. So if you buy any of these BL2S vehicles, you get a free battery and charger with them. So not a bad deal, especially if you're new to the hobby. So that's it for Traxxas. Go ahead and get to the last one, which is going to be Redcat. All right, last but definitely not least, we're going to take a stop over here at Redcat, and they've had a sale going here now for I think a week or two, but pretty good deals. So I won't name off all these, but they got, different variety of stuff. You're looking for some smaller monster trucks. We've got rock crawlers at the Ascent 18. Drift car here, $99, which that's the lowest price ever on that model. Although it has been $99 before, like a few months back, but that's not a bad deal. So we got the Piranha, the Truggies. You got more crawlers here that are on sale anywhere from, about 20% off from what we saw on our dashboard. 20-25% off, not too bad. So yeah, definitely take a look if you're interested in any of these vehicles. You can pick them up from Redcat directly, or some of these you could find on Amain Hobbies as well. But yeah, lots of good deals out here. The one that I think I mentioned or highlighted last week was this Monte Carlo. This guy is definitely its lowest price we've seen in a while. And actually, we can swing by the dashboard real quick. Let's take a look. So this is why I make this is why I have this dashboard, is just to look at some of these price history stuff. Like, this is the kind of stuff that really interests me a lot. Interesting. Well, it's not on sale at Amain, so you can see $430 at Amain was the last price check. So yeah, you could tell though that this thing hovered around $380 to $430. It's been $430 forever, but if we go back to the Redcat site, $339. So that's definitely the lowest price like this year for sure. So yeah, if you're interested in the lowrider, the haulers at Amain right now are actually cheaper than $449. So like if we go back to my dashboard and take a look at the Redcat stuff real quick. So that's actually interesting. I didn't realize that Amain actually has this hauler. Yeah, the custom hauler for $420. Wow. And then on the actual Redcat site, it's $450. Interesting. $420, that's a hell of a deal for a custom hauler. The last time I'd seen it that low, it was a Scratch and Dent vehicle. So not bad. And then there was the second page here. We'll get to a couple more lowriders. Like all the Impalas are on sale right now, which is cool. But this guy, this Vigilante, so like $750. This is a hell of a deal. 25% off. Let me go back to the dashboard again real quick, because The Vigilante, oh man, I thought, yeah, it is on here, but it's only 15% off at $850. So that's at Amain Hobbies. So it's a whole $100 more at Amain Hobbies. So if you go directly to the Redcat site, you can save yourself $100 on the 8S Vigilante. That's good deal. And just for the sake of it, let's do a price check. Let's take a look at the price history. I can guarantee you $750 is the absolute like rock bottom price we've ever seen on that guy. Vigilante 8S, yeah, 100%. So like on the graph, 850 is the lowest because I'm only pulling from Amain Hobbies, but 750, super low, man. Like that, good sale. Honestly, I think I might have to put that as the headliner. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, it's a great deal. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys got something out of this. I know we kind of ran long with sales, but there's a lot of stuff going on. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Good hearing from you guys. And I hope you guys all have a happy Thanksgiving. And if anything else pops up from now until Black Friday or on Black Friday, I may hop on and do like an emergency episode, just depending on what we see. But if not, I'll go ahead and I'll catch you guys next week on the next edition of RC Weekly. Take care, guys.